Well, good morning po. This is your mangrove loving penguin and we are here. We have a great treat for you. We are here in the town of Tinambak at the mouth of a river which we call Tigman, no? Which is border between Alabanga and Tinambak. And here we have a rare treat because for the very first time the mangrove loving penguin is able to see live, face to face, one of the rarest mangroves in the country. We call that Candelia Candel. And here we have Kaloy, who is a teacher here in Tinambak, which will explain to us what's the difference between this one, the Candelia Candel, and then the more common Bakawan, the Rhizophora, Bakawan babae, right? Yes. Kaloy, alin po dito ang candle? Candelia Candel.
Madali pong ma-identify yung Candelia Candel. Titingnan mo lang po ang difference ng dalawa, yung pinaka-buttress niya, itong pinaka-ugat.
So the root system is buttress as opposed to the Bakawan which is stilt. Yes. Okay. Great.
Sa dahon po, may similarity sila. Pero pagdating po sa bunga, mas maiksi po yung bunga ng Candelia kumpara po dito sa Bakawan o yung sa Rhizophora.
Both Candelia Candel and the Rhizophora species, they have propagules, but for the Bakawan babae, they're longer while Candel is shorter.
Sure.
Oh yes, and you were telling me that this candle is also quite resilient because even if you chop the tree, it still grows. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir. So, example nito, sir, ganito po. So, naputol po yung sanga niya, pero nagkaroon ulit siya, sir, ng mga panibagong sanga. Pero ang kaibahan nito, sir, dito pagka Rhizophora, pagka naputol po talaga, tuluyan na po siyang namamatay.
Oh, great. And here's another interesting resilient feature of this Candelia Candel. You know, it's said that Rhizophora cannot be planted seaward because when you're near the sea, you're subject to attacks by what are the parasites that attack it?
Oyster, sir.
Oysters. They stick on the stilts of the Bakawan. But in the case of Candel, you were saying they can survive the attacks by
Yes, sir. Ng oyster po.
the barnacles and all, no?
Opo.
Because the skin of the bark of the candle opens up,
Yes,
just
sir.
removing the barnacles and the oysters, while Rhizophora cannot do that. That's why many scientists have said that the Bakawan babae should not be planted seaward, but should be more inward.
Opo.
Okay, great stuff. So we've learned something new again. Candelia Candel, one of the rarest, if not the rarest mangrove species here in the country.
Identified po siya ni DNR na may dalawang lugar lang po sa Pilipinas na documented na merong Candelia Candel. One is sa Aurora po and the other one po dito sa Bagakay.
Camarines Sur. Wow, proud. We should be proud and we should protect it. Again, maraming salamat po. Diyos mabalo sa Indogavos. Thank you. Good.